to address scenarios such as garden design, construction, and acceptance inspections. Problems such as the absence of GPS signals, a large number of objects, undulating terrain. Using traditional surveying equipment such as our TK tape distance meters, unable to meet the demand for on-site rapid surveying and mapping. We have integrated advanced inertial navigation technology and high-precision algorithms. A mobile measurement marvel, BAOTURE has been developed. The device weighs only 50 grams. It connects to the supporting app software on mobile devices via Bluetooth. Can obtain measurement information in real time. It features multiple measurement functions including length, area, angle, height, slope, and trajectory. Achieve high-precision centimeter-level measurement. Measurement data is visible in real time. Supports 2D and 3D displays in different viewing modes. Measurement results can be exported in multiple formats such as PDF, CAD, and JPG. Supports on-site sharing via social media platforms.